Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be solving today's lead code question, which is double the number represented as a linked list. So we are given a head of the linked list, and then we need to double this particular linked list, and then we need to return the head of this particular linked list after doubling this particular number, which is represented as a linked list. So here we are given an example where we have 189. If we try to double it, 9 is going to become 9 plus 9, and then 8 plus 8, and then 1 plus 1. So 9 plus 9 is going to be 18. So 8 we are going to assign here, and then we are going to have the carry of 1, and then 1 8 plus 8 is going to be 16, and then 1 we have carry, so it is going to be 7, and then one more it is going to be carry, and then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is going to be 3. So this is the linked list. So this linked list we are going to return as our answer. And then if we take 9 and then 9 and then 9, so if we try to double this number, we are going to get 1998. So for this, what we are going to do is we are going to reverse this particular linked list, and then after reversing this particular linked list, we are going to double each element which is present in this particular value, and then we are going to have the carry, and then we are going to add this particular carry whenever we are doubling the value which is present in the linked list node. And then after doubling the linked list, after reversing, we are going to reverse it back so that we'll get the number in, like, in this format. Suppose if we have 999, we are going to reverse this, and then we are going to get 999 again, and then after this we are going to get 899 and then 1. If we reverse this particular thing, we are going to get 1 9 and then 9 and then 8. So this is going to be our answer, and then we are going to return the answer. So for this, we are going to first start with reversing the linked list. So we are going to reverse this particular linked list, and then after that we are going to double this particular reverse linked list, and then after doubling it, we are going to get 899 and then 1. And then for this we are going to reverse it back so that we'll get the 199 and then 8. So that is going to be our answer. So let us go through the functions, which is reverse function and then double list. So first we are going to take the reverse linked list, where we are going to take the previous as null, and then current as head, and then next node as next node. So for this we are going to pick next node as current next. This is going to be my next node, and then I'm going to take the current next is going to be previous. Like, we are going to map the current node with the previous node. That is what we are doing. We are going to reverse this particular linked list. So that's why we are going to assign the next to previous, and then previous is going to become current, and then current is going to become next node. We are trying to move the current node to the next node, and then whenever we are moving the current node to the next node, we are making sure that current node next is going to be our previous node, so that it will have the reverse of the linked list. And then at last we are going to have the previous will be given, and then this will be the head of the reverse linked list. And then after reversing, we are going to double this particular linked list, where it is going to have the head. So for this we are going to take the current node, which is going to be head, and then previous is going to be null, and then we are going to assign sum equal to 0 and then carry equal to 0. And then whenever we have this particular current node, we are going to take the sum is going to be twice of the current value, and then we are going to add the current value, carry value, and then we are going to get the carry, and then we are going to get the sum. The carry is going to be sum by 10, and then sum is going to be sum percentage 10, where it is going, where we are going to assign this particular value. So the current value is going to be sum, and then the previous is going to be current, and then current is going to be current next. So what we are doing is we are just modifying the value which is present in this particular current node, and then after modifying the current value to sum, we are just moving from current to current next, and then previous to current. And then let's say after completion of this particular current node, if we have this carry which is present after doubling each node, and then we have one more node which needs to be created. Suppose if we take 999, after doubling it, we are going to get the carry of one more. So for that we need to create one more node, which is new node. So that new node will be having the value of carry, and then that is going to be assigned to previous next. and then we are going to return the answer head. That is going to be our double list, and then after double list we are going to reverse the uh, double list. And then if we come to the time complexity, the time complexity is going to be big of n. Why? Because we are traveling the linked list. We are going to travel the linked list in linear time. That is going to be big of n. And then the space complexity is going to be big of 1. Why? Because we are not creating any extra space. Suppose if we have a carry, we are going to take the extra space of only one node. So that is going to be big of 1 itself. Yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching the video.